In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Webflow site in just 5 minutes. A favicon is a small icon that appears in a browser tab next to your site's title, and it helps visitors identify your brand quickly amongst their open tabs. So, let's dive in and enhance your website's appearance in a few easy steps. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. If you're not already signed in, head to Webflow's website and enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your Webflow projects. Now, take a moment to look through your available projects and select the one where you'd like to add a favicon. Once you've identified your project, click to open its specific settings. In the project settings, you'll find a series of tabs at the top. Navigate over to the Site settings. This is where you control many of the back-end aspects of your site. Within the Site settings, there are several different sections you can tweak, but for our purpose today, you want to click on the General tab. Inside the General tab, scroll down until you locate the Icons section. This is the area of the settings where you can manage your site's favicon and other related icons. In the Icons section, you'll see an option labeled Favicon. Click the Upload button next to this section. This is the point where you select your favicon image file. It's essential that your favicon is in a supported format, typically a 32 by 32 pixel image in a PNG, ICO, or SVG format for best results. So, make sure you have your favicon prepared beforehand, saved somewhere easy to locate on your computer. After clicking Upload, find the file and select it. Once your favicon is uploaded, it's time to lock in those changes. To do that, scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. This ensures your site settings are updated with the new favicon. The final step is to make sure these changes take effect on your live website. You'll want to go back to your dashboard and hit the Publish button for the site in question. Publishing pushes the new favicon out so that anyone visiting your site can experience the update. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a favicon to your Webflow site, making it stand out a bit more in your users' browser tabs. Check how it looks by opening your website in a browser to see your new favicon proudly displayed. I hope this tutorial was straightforward and that you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.